The one man who is known as the father of India unrest is Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak. These two titles of Tilak have the different meanings. According to Britishers, he was the father of Indian unrest because he was the man who stood the Indian people for the first time against British government, and from that time the rest of British government in India was gone and never came back. He declared, Swaraj is my birthright and I must take it. His slogan was on the mouth of every Indian, and before Gandhiji, he was the first man which approach towards the Indians was so deep. That is why he was called the father of Indian unrest. According to Indians, he was Lokmanya. It means that he was a man who was honored by the people of India. Keshav Gangadhar Tilak was born on July 23, 1856 in a middle-class Brahmin family in Ratnagiri, a small coastal town in southwestern Maharashtra. His father Gangadhar Shastri was a noted Sanskrit scholar and school teacher at Ratnagiri. His mother's name was Parvati Bai Gangadhar. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak had set out on the path of truth from his childhood. He used to live a disciplined life. One day, some students of Bal Gangadhar class ate peanuts and threw the peel on the floor. After some time, when his teacher came into the class, he became very angry after seeing such a condition of the class. Teachers used to be very strict during those times. When the teacher asked, no student admitted their mistake. The teacher decided to punish the whole class and took out his stick. He told every student to put his hand forward, and after that the teacher beat everyone in the class. When the teacher came to Bal Gangadhar, he did not raise his hand. Bal Gangadhar pressed his hand to the side and said, I have not eaten peanuts, therefore I will accept the beating. The teacher said, so tell me the truth, who has eaten peanuts? Bal Gangadhar said on this, I will not tell anyone's name and I will not get the beating. On hearing this, the teacher got angrier. The teacher complained to the principal. Next day, his father brought Bal to the school. He said that what his son had said was true. Bal was not in the habit of eating anything outside his home, and his father never gave him money to buy anything. Lokmanya Tilak's upright nature is evident through this incident. It is due to the fearless nature he was able to make invaluable contributions to the Bharatiya freedom movement. After capturing political power in India, the British government damaged the financial structure of India. Bal Gangadhar strongly opposed injustice all his life. On this route, he had to face various kinds of crises and even go to the jail. But Bal Gangadhar never bowed his head in front of injustice. Tilak worked as a lawyer and later as a teacher. The social and political condition of India distressed him a great deal. He launched two newspapers, the Kesari in Marathi and the Maratha in English, in 1881. Through these newspapers, he expressed his ideas and awakened the masses. Tilak started the public celebrations of Ganesh Chaturthi festival in Maharashtra. He also started the Shiv Jayanti festival. These festivals were organized with a view bringing the people together and inspiring them to fight against the British rule. Tilak was jailed several times. Once while in a jail, he wrote the famous book The Gita Rahasya. After his release, he plunged into the Home Rule movement. This great leader died on 1st August 1920. He was mourned by lack of people all over the nation. Lokmanya Tilak gave the freedom fighters his slogan, Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. He commanded devotion from all. Tilak was a very intelligent and grateful freedom fighter. His contribution towards the nation is remembered always by us.